This is part 3 of renovating our camper. We've painted the cabinets, put a backsplash up, Matt did a custom countertop, and now we're working on the floors. So we're gonna start here in the kitchen and then we're gonna work our way up to the bedroom. I completely forgot to record, but here's us installing the floors. And then we found all this sand after we pulled the carpet up in the bedroom. Here's what the floors look like after. We still have a little bit of work to do because we have to add trim and we're still trying to fix these stairs. The caulking color did not turn out how we thought, so we have to remove that and replace it. But we did make it up into the bedroom, and again, we have to put trim along the edges and all along this side over here. But I really love how the floors turned out because we do not have carpet anymore, so very excited. And once again, I forgot to record us doing the bathroom area. We started with mainly just painting the walls and the door. Eventually, we're going to put tile and replace this entire shower area, but for right now, we just kind of ran out of time, so the walls were painted just to make it look a little nicer. The next step in this renovation is removing this accordion divider between the bedroom and the bathroom.